Hello everyone, welcome today, today in the daily newspaper of a Friday, it's Friday, January the 28th, 2022, and it's almost weekend, tomorrow Saturday weekend, and almost end of the week. We have here two regular Sudokus, a light Sudoku, and a heavy Sudoku. And next week, a new month, the first Friday of the month, I will do a speed test. In this daily newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. I believe there are 6 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve, 3 of them, and the news of today, the daily record of the infected people with Omicron, 74k, 74,000 people infected per day, So we broke the record, and it's still increasing, up to the 100k. All right. Anyway, last year I'm infected with COVID, March the 17th. So I'm natural vaccinated on a natural way. Yes. So no booster, and I hope that I not get I need a booster, because you need to take care of your body, a lot of sports, a lot of mental exercises like Sudokus, vitamin D, so you need to take care for yourself. But first, Sudoku Light, it will be number 4043. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, we have 9 big squares with 4 printed digits. So 9 times 4, 36 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars, Sudoku should be an easy one with 1 star. 1 star has 27 printed digits. This one's 36. So need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, let me give 12 minutes then. 12 minutes. Well, already 3 minutes gone. Okay, so let's get started. 5 in this row, 5 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in that column. So in the column between, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in that row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 5. All right. Okay. Then. 4 in this row. 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between, only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 4. Alright. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So that row, only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Alright. Okay. Then one number left in this row, the second row for the number 1. Okay, 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in that row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the ones are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 1. Okay. We have a 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row, 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, first row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 2. Alright. Then we have a 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have an 8 there in the middle column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8's are used. I can see. Digit number 5, number 8. Okay, 1 number left in this big square. For number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So that column. Oh, wait. Wait. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 6, number 9. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 number left in this big square. 4 number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. Again, I think 3 and a 6. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 3 there in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. Again, 3 and a 6, I believe. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, and 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Again, 3 and a 6 are missing the final 2 numbers. Let me check. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, and a 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Correct? Told you, faster than 12 minutes. I need 12 minutes to solve the puzzle. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second regular Sudoku. It will be the heavy Sudoku. How heavy? I do not know, but it seems there are 24 printed digits, so it could be a hard one. See you later. Bye-bye for now.